ride some fun rides, and have a great time. Join me in my magical fun adventure. Let's go. That was a smooth entry. So I'm just trying to see what I can get into right now. All those that are vaccinated don't have to wear a mask, and those that haven't been vaccinated can wear a mask. Now me, I still have my mask with me, so anytime I feel like I need to put it on, I will put it on. That's what I'm doing right now. So let me see what rides I can get into right now. All right, that's good. Yeah, so we headed to the Transformer ride now.
And we will defeat them here.
Spartan, secure and fortified location here at Nick. With all due respect, you call this secure and fortified?
Defeat them here.
Continue drive units in 30 kills on 4. When you are authorized, enter a row and move to the furthest available seat. Supervise children, making sure that
Alright, once these gates open, behind you! Got it!
How was that ride, huh?
Great, very intense.
Finished this Transformer ride. It was good, but it was very shaky. All right, so let's see what we can do right now. Press it again.
Can I be in the ball?
Hello.
Hi. Y'all want a
This is
quick
Magical
picture?
Fun World. What's your name?
My name is Sky. My name is Sky, but on Instagram my name is Lil Cooley with 3 E's. I'm a rapper.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I rap too.
Really?
Yeah, I do a little bit of everything.
All right,
you know?
spit something for us real quick.
Well, I'm not gonna do that now. The spotlight's on you.
No. I'm on the clock.
All right, it's all right. We all on the clock.
Right. Have a good one.
All right. Much success.
Straight in D for Dumbledore. D as in Dumbledore. Straight into D for Dumbledore.
Headed to the left now.
Thank you so much. Keep looking great.
Alright,
Harry Potter.
right to the wall. That's it. Hello, sir. Hi, am I in this?
Yeah, how are you?
Is it a picture or a moving picture?
Yeah, I was wondering this guy was gonna say something.
Nigel, what is mine?
I think he's
What
doing
is
a moving picture.
the moving picture? What do you want me to do?
Well, maybe say something.
All right, something.
No, no.
All right, that's it.
Okay.
Thank you.
You just said something.
Funny day. All right, nice meeting you. I'm about to head to the DreamWorks Destination show. It's my first time seeing this show, so I'm gonna see how this is. Here we go.
Yeah, let's do it.
How was the show, son?
Very tough. Very, very great. It brings me back my childhood.
Okay, yeah. Look like you're still having a childhood. I'm back on the Hagrid motorbike ride. I'm gonna make a comparison with the VelociCoaster. After I've ride this and the VelociCoaster, I'm gonna see which one is my favorite ride. So far as the Hagrid's ride, you know, it's my best ride, but I'm gonna try to get to the VelociCoaster today and make the comparison. So come with me and let's ride. Let's go. I hear something. Here we go again, son. No turning back. You want to turn away? You want to turn back?
No.
Here we go. Don't be scared.
I'm never scared.
What you say?
I am never scared.
Okay.
Don't mind the Thestrals. Dead clever and useful they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. We'll have to round up the Scroots before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. Oh, no, there's no need for that. Well, I think that's enough for today. You should probably head back. We'll pick this up later. The bikes will take it. Arthur warned me about those bikes, but I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the Forbidden Forest. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, Oh, no. Looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic.
Oh, crikey, you're tangled in Devil's Snare. Repeat,
Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. Whew, that was close. Now we just need to... Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Hold on. Dragonfire's got a kick. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Ruddy lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see pixies, scroots, and unicorns.
I'm at the Leaky Cauldron, trying my first butterbeer for the first time. It's all right. It's all right.
And I'm trying mine too.
Hey, come here, sit down. How's your butterbeer?
Tastes like it's milkshake.
Tastes like a milkshake? Tastes like cream soda. Did you get it again?
Yes.
Butterbeer. Well, I didn't get to ride the VelociCoaster today. I guess I'll try tomorrow. Well, see you tomorrow. Another day at Universal. I got to ride the VelociCoaster today. I got to ride it. I'm serious, I gotta ride this ride. I'd rather ride it during the daytime because I want to see where I'm going, you know. If I go over a lake, I want to see it. If I go over a cliff, I want to see it. So I'm trying to ride this ride during the daytime. So let's see what happens today. Please, please, please. For the VelociCoaster, son?
Yeah! Let's go, boy! Woo! I'm ready!
Hey, no turning back now. VelociCoaster, here I come. Pray for me. Please. No turning back, son. Oh, no. You want to turn back? Don't do it.
Only are they fast. Their bite is equivalent to a large American alligator. Nice! That means
Gotta put my stuff in the locker now. In my personal opinion, I think VelociCoaster is my favorite ride in Universal now. So VelociCoaster is my favorite. I love Hagrid, but VelociCoaster is my favorite ride now. I got to ride it, and it wasn't as scary as I thought it would be. And I will ride it again, definitely. I'm gonna try it at night next time. So let me catch my breath now. Well, that's it for Universal today. I rode the VelociCoaster about 4 times. So that's it for me. Thank you for watching Magical Fun World. Please like, subscribe, press the notification bell so you can join me in my next Magical Fun adventure. See ya.